Alrighty, so we're at Hurricane Hole in Key West, and we booked a kayak tour, kayak adventure through Lazy Dog kayak tours, whatever. I think they do like kayaks, they do paddle boards, they do diving, they do a bunch of stuff. So we're here a little bit early, having a drink at the bar, and then we're going to, I assume, move to some boats, get a kayak, and then we're going to paddle through the mangroves here around Key West and enjoy the scenery.
Okay, well this goes back to December.
Yeah, that's what rafting up is what I'll call that, and that's what I mean. Just paddle into a tree, grab on, then I can talk to everybody, pass things around, and just drifting away. Most people won't raft up. It's like the first portion I have to like you guys. You can see the wind kind of moving that way anyways. So we'll take a left, we'll go ahead and raft up, and then we're gonna go through our first mangrove tunnel. So you'll see the entrance. We're not gonna go through it right away. We'll raft up first and talk.
See how Francis Mario's guys do.
It's feeding under the roots right here, guys. See its tail?
Oops, I don't want. I'm not gonna paddle.
You're good, yeah, he's just right there.
Whoa, look at that, look at that.
You're fine. Might hit a tree in a second. Coming right at you guys. It's like, what do you do? So he might come up for air before, or he's gonna just like go under that boat.
I just dumped all my old bait in one.
Oh, he knew it. You can smell it. So they are vegetarians, but they'll eat like fish and stuff. So he probably does smell the little shrimp or whatever it was. But for the most part, these guys will hang out, they'll thrive, they'll just chill for the most part wherever they can. They like to hang out in marinas a lot because unfortunately they find fresh water, but it's not really good for them because it's like soda. They can't physically digest hose water. So that's why they're gonna all have boat scars on their backs, because they hang out in marinas and then they get fresh water and then they bubble up and they can't avoid it. Okay, guys.
They got those Inoki, remember?
Good job, guys.
Rainbow parrots. They're